Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. All right, let's begin. To start, launch your Messenger app and tap the three bars at the bottom right corner to access the menu. Select the settings gear icon and navigate to privacy and safety. From there, tap on end-to-end encryption and open message storage. You need to enable secure storage by inserting your PIN. This ensures your encrypted messages are backed up safely. Once secure storage is active, return to the main settings page and enter the account center. Select your information and permissions, then click Export your information. Tap the Export button, select the Facebook profile associated with the chats you want to retrieve, and follow the on-screen instructions to request a download. Facebook will email you once your data file is ready. When you receive that email, return to the export page to download the file. So that's basically how you can recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. That's it for this video. Thanks.